Hello, today we have an Expobar office lever, and this was brought to us for a couple of reasons. This had mainly issues with the electrical, so what that required was a new electric board, which looks like this is the old one, along with a new pump, this old pump, and a new gasket and screen that goes right in here. And this is the old gasket and screen. So should be working good as new. Let's pull a shot and see how it looks. Camera building up there, nice color. We'll stop that there. Looking nice. And then we'll run the hot water and the steam function. So first let's run the steam. Steam's looking strong. Good temperature. Put that off. And then we'll run the hot water. Looking good. Nice pressure. Alright. If you like our videos and want to see more like these, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Take care.